In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website with GoDaddy. By the end, you'll understand how to secure a domain, pick the right hosting plan, and get WordPress installed using either GoDaddy's managed WordPress option or a standard cPanel setup. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. First, you'll acquire your domain and hosting through GoDaddy. Start by searching for a domain name that's available. Aim for something short, memorable, and relevant to your brand or project. Consider the extension that fits your audience, like .com for general use or a niche extension if it better represents your field. Before you move on, double-check for spelling and make sure your choice is easy to say and share. Next, choose a hosting plan. GoDaddy offers several options, and the standout for most beginners is managed WordPress hosting. It's designed specifically for WordPress and streamlines a lot of the technical work. If you're comfortable managing more of the details yourself or want broader control over your hosting environment, a standard cPanel plan also works well. Pick the plan that best matches your budget, expected traffic, and how hands-on you want to be. Once your domain and hosting are set, it's time to install WordPress. If you selected managed WordPress hosting, the setup is typically automatic or guided. In your GoDaddy account, go to your products, open managed hosting for WordPress, and look for the Create WP Site button. The guided setup will prompt you to name your site and confirm where to install it. Follow the prompts, and let the tool do the heavy lifting. This route is great if you want the simplest path to a ready-to-use WordPress dashboard. If you're using a cPanel hosting plan, you'll install WordPress manually through GoDaddy's cPanel. Log into your account, open cPanel, and scroll to the Software or Applications section. Find the WordPress installer, often labeled WordPress or Softaculous Apps Installer. Launch it and follow the steps. You'll choose the installation directory. Use the root if you want your site at yourdomain.com, or a subfolder like blog if you prefer your domain.com/blog. You'll also confirm database settings. The installer can usually create these for you. Finally, set your admin username and a strong password, store them securely, and complete the installation. That's it. With your domain, hosting, and WordPress installed, you're ready to sign into your WordPress dashboard and begin building out your site's pages and content. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.